Hello and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making one of the most loved street foods all time, chicken egg roll. Crispy, flavorful and filled with juicy chicken and veggies. This recipe is a perfect evening snack or even a complete meal. Let's get started. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Then add 1/3 cup water and knead into a smooth dough. Chicken egg roll is one of the most popular street foods in Kolkata, India. Rolls were invented as a portable meal for busy office workers in the early 20th century. Rub some oil on top, cover and set aside. For the chicken, take 1 cup chicken. Three tablespoon beaten curd. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Quarter teaspoon turmeric. Half teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon cumin. Half teaspoon chicken tandoori masala. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. And 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Always marinate chicken for at least 10 minutes to enhance flavor. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add the chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Using curd in marinade helps in digestion and adds natural probiotics. Fry the chicken until all water evaporates. This keeps the roll crisp. Cook until dry and tender. Set aside. Now roll out the dough. Fry in medium heated oil until both sides are fried well. Roll the dough evenly so the roti cooks perfectly on both sides. Beat 2 eggs with half teaspoon salt. Add a little oil to the pan, pour the egg and place the fried roti on top. This combination of eggs and paratha makes it extra filling compared to other rolls. Cook both sides well. Now for the veggies. Mix quarter cup capsicum, quarter cup carrot, 2 tablespoon onion, quarter teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon pepper. Mix well. To assemble, place the fried egg roti. Spread mayonnaise. Street vendors often customize rolls with spicy chutneys or extra cheese. Add vegetables. Cook chicken. Eggs and chicken provide high quality protein. Use fresh crunchy vegetable for the base texture. And a drizzle of tomato sauce. Vegetable add vitamins, fiber and minerals. Add some more mayonnaise. Fold neatly and wrap in baking paper. Homemade rolls are healthier than deep fried fast food. Crispy, juicy and packed with flavor, this chicken egg roll is the perfect snack for any time of the day. Try it home and enjoy the authentic street food taste right from your kitchen. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Which filling would you choose for your roll? Chicken, paneer or just veggies? Tell us in the comments below.